Galveston, Matagorda Islands, Brazoria Islands, Galveston Island, and Bolivar Peninsula counties. When, for the hard freeze warning, from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Saturday. For the wind advisory, until noon Central Standard Time Friday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing. 6 p.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental.